How to change country in Amazon shopping app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change the country on the Amazon shopping app, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you'd like to change the country on the Amazon shopping app, it is very simple to do so because the products that you see on Amazon shopping app are based on the region that you have currently selected. So first of all, open the Amazon shopping app, then you're basically going to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the three lines icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines icon from the bottom right, scroll down, look for this option called settings in the flag icon, so just tap on it. And again here you can see the flag icon that says country and language. You want to make sure to just tap on this option known as country and language here, and when you tap on the country and language, to change the country at the very top you'll find the option called country region. Just tap on it and then just search for the country that you would like to change over here. Once you select a specific country, make sure it's correct, then tap the done option over here, and then the country is going to successfully change. This way you can change country in Amazon shopping app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.